Hello, my name is Kylie, and today I'm here to talk to you about voting for president. Do you love America? I love America. We are a free country in America. In America, we have freedoms that other countries might not have. We also have the Constitution that was made by the Founding Fathers to enforce laws. Today, the laws are enforced by the three branches of the government and the president. When you vote America for a president, the president can make laws so America can be a free, better place. So vote now to make America a better place. Thank you for taking your time to watch my video. I hope you vote. Have a great day and vote for the president because that's good.